So what's up? It's currently 1:54. Welcome to day 2. It's good afternoon, good evening, or good morning. Whatever time you are watching today. For those who are, viewing the video. Viewing? So, nag-getting ready na ako para sa class. And the subjects that we are going to take, or yung exam namin for today, is Math M tsaka Math M and TFN. So no, I am not di ako masyadong what do you call it? Ready sa Math M. Sa TFN, okay lang. I think I'm a pass. I studied well, madami information pero unting mga tao lang. It's more on knowing yung mga naging part ng history about nursing. So it's not that bad. Yun, kumikinang-kina ang face. So, anyways, nangyari kahapon, recap sa nangyari kahapon. We took an exam in anatomy and ARTA. Anatomy was not so good. So, alam na natin na hindi na tayo papasa sa anatomy. ARTA is not so bad. Thankful ako kay Sir Rodrigo na hindi nung masyadong mahirap. Tsaka nabigay rin si Sir ng reviewer. So, kailangan madali kasi malapit na. Gabong nagdan. Hala, freak. Nakalimutan ko ilagay yung ko. Okay. We're ready. So anyways, it's 1:57. I need to go. Nagiging ready lang tayo pero you already look good. So, dadalhin ko ulit yung aking bag. It's not, even though wala ako siya dadalhin, it's comfy to bring. Kasi you don't know what will happen. So dapat tingnan natin lahat. The hair is nice as well. It's good. It smells good. So ayan, magulo yung ating basement kasi hindi pa ako naglilinis. Maybe I'll clean it Saturday. Anong araw yung Saturday? 23 ngayon, 24 bukas. 25 sa Saturday. Maybe I'll clean every single thing here sa para may gagawin tayo sa Saturday. And for, I think, since day 2, day 3 bukas, day 4, Saturday, day 5. Day 6 or day 7 is the museum, ang tawag na to? Mag-museum tayo. Kasi pupunta tayo sa Pinto Art. Ako pala. And, parang nabasa ko one of the, parang description was, close sila every Monday. Pero open sila mga Tuesday to Sunday. So, yun. Parang bigas milit yun eh. Di mo alam. So anyways, I'll be seeing you guys at school. Yan, mag-update tayo pagkatapos natin. Again, it's currently 1:59, magtuto na. Final check ulit sa look. We look good. So, yun. I'll see you guys later.
Ano sa uniform niya?
So, what's up?
Malabo yung kambe.
Malabo? Oh. Okay. So, what's up? This is day 2. And madaming tao, sobrang init. Hello? Narinig ba ako? Basta madaming tao, sobrang init. I cannot. Sobrang busy. So yun na nga. Check ko na lang ulit kayo. Time check, it is 2:46 and I'll be back pagkatapos na TFN. Madami na kami inisip. Wala na maintindihan. Bye-bye! So ito na po yung nangyari. It's very chaotic. Tapos ito lang po yung calculator ko. Papasa tayo ng ganitong calculator.
Video ang katawis.
So, ano oras na? It's 4:52. I will try pumasa. Pero it's not for certain. Okay? Parang a lot of information is coming to my brain and it's not processing well. So, expectation score natin sa isang tao na konti lang yung sinadi. Mga around 70 pala. 70.
Wow, 70. Tagi na. So, taas mo sa score niya ng pre, by the way.
66 lang ako nun eh. 66 lang. Pero okay lang yan. Kakayanin. Anyways, good luck sa ating lahat. And
lalo na sa mga to.
Yes, lalo na isa yan. Oh my God.
Ito, nakuha
to lahat dito. And eto, dito lahat to. Ganon. Yes. Wait lang. Hindi ko alam kung hindi
And may the God. Okay?
Hoy, hindi naka-record.
Hindi naka-record? Kulit mo! Yoko na! Bye-bye!
Welcome to my guys.
Hello! Sila yan. Ito, wala na sila.
Binigay mo na.
Yoko na, puting na yoko na. Yoko na! Anyways, bye-bye. Wala na ako. Hindi ko na kaya. Hindi ko na talaga kaya. Okay? I'm doing my best. Pero hindi na talaga kaya na aking brain. Okay? One more look.
Because next subject na namin.
Bago mawala ang lahat.
Nagkakagulo lahat.
Go pa. So, hello, what's up guys? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever the time of day you are in. So, natapos na kami sa third day of examination, which is Math M and ano yan? Math M and TFN. Math M is ano lang. TFN was like so lang. While Math M is a little bit difficult. Pero I think I managed. Siyempre hindi na natin hinahirapan ako. Kahit nahihirapan talaga ako. Anyways, it's currently 8:14 and I will end day 2 here since I'm very tired. Mag-iidlip muna ako before I study again. But before I end day 2, I will answer the question of wait. Wait. Okay. So the question of the day is, how do I strive to study despite the current limitations and challenges? So, to study, I do, well, first off, tired ako, of course. Before I study, I take a little rest para ma-refresh yung utak ko. After that, when it's all said and done, or when I'm done napping, I will magsa-study ako. It's either I'll memorize or I use this app called Gizmo, which is to relearn the stuff na diniscuss ng mga instructor or mga professors ko. So, yeah, that's how I study. And even though na like madami akong ginagawa, I can still manage since ang tawag nito, I keep things organized para hindi ako mahirapan hindi ako mahirapan maghanap or sa mga bagay-bagay. So ayun, that's how I study despite the limitations and challenges that I am facing. So there we go. That's where we end day 2. So tomorrow, day 3, which is the last examination. Yay! We'll talk about the last examination in tomorrow. Yes. Which is, ang last examination natin is PERCOM and ELEC. Reading visuals. So I'll see you then. Bye-bye. Good night, everyone. Or good day. Have a great night. Anyways, Anyways, kumain kayo na maayos. And I will see you soon. Have a great night, everyone.